We have now arrived at the entrance of Mr. Smith's pen, where he has placed a foot bath at the entrance, again on our advice. And this foot bath again has a drainage plug. The pipe is in the gutter here. He has dug a gutter here where he has placed a length of pipe, and this pipe is attached to the foot bath where water can be drained from the foot bath for ease of cleaning. This is very useful in mitigating the risk of disease. The concrete apron around the whole thing makes it all very useful for cleaning, for ease of cleaning. And again, we are talking about curbing the incidence of disease. So all of these structures are very important in all of this. Okay, we are now entering the pen of Mr. Smith. And Mr. Smith has a concrete floor. Let me just show you that concrete floor. Let me get a little bit of that dirt scraped off so you can see his concrete floor underneath all of this. He has a concrete floor, and that will help very much when he has to clean out all of this topsoil, litter, manure that it will become later. This will be very useful. So he does have a concrete floor, as we can see here. Okay, and on top of that concrete floor, he has placed river sand, which is the bedding material used for poultry operations in a lot of pens in St. Lucia. Mr. Smith also has his wire mesh all the way up to the roof, and this is again a disease risk mitigation measure which will prevent wild birds and vermin from entering the pen quite easily. The wire mesh goes all the way up to the roof of the pen, and it also helps in alleviating heat stress in the pen. He has trimmed, if you go to the side of the pen, you will notice that he has trimmed off and cut off a lot of the trees that would impede the heat or impede the airflow, or prevent air from coming into the pen. If you look around the pen, it's very clear, and you can also look and see some of the trees which are cut, so that you have a nice airflow going through, and you won't have the problem of any trees falling onto the pen during a hurricane or any high winds.